Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Dragon Ball FighterZ game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dragon Ball FighterZ game on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, now just press the start button to open up the menu at the top left corner. From here you can go into options and now go into the graphic settings. Here you will be able to choose the correct resolution for your display. If you notice any screen tears, make sure to enable VSync, and now you can choose the presets within the picture quality. If you're unsure, you can click on the Optimize Settings option, which will choose the best options for your device automatically. Then you can just go back and your changes will be saved. You can now start playing your game and see how these settings feel. If you notice any performance issues, you can come back and then try reducing by one step to each of these quality options. And by following this step and through this method, you can find a suitable balance of performance and quality. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize your graphic settings on the Dragon Ball FighterZ game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.